I was searching for a budget-friendly true wireless earbud for my new Galaxy Z Flip 6. After a lots of research, I found this. Here is the Tunez Elements E03 True Wireless Earbuds. Keep track of your battery life with the LED display indicator on the case. Enjoy seamless connectivity up to 15 meters with Bluetooth 5.3 plus EDR. Experience crystal clear output with 12 dynamic stereo driver. Quad mic ENC for effective noise cancellation during calls. 300 milliampere battery that fast charged in 1.5 hours and provides up to 36 hours of playback. Sweat and splash proof with IP64 rating for all our daily activities. Effortlessly, it controls your music with smart touch controls. Instant pairing with Hall switch technology. Fully compatible with both Android and iOS devices. Available in stylish black and white designs. Price is only rupees 1199. So, what's your thought on this?